All right, it's time to add some fractions in 3 different scenarios: like denominators, unlike denominators, and crazy or even more unlike denominators, with special guest Riverdog Jenny, who's already passed out, and what up, Grace? Grace is paying attention to class. All right, let's go for it. So like denominators, both 7s. That's a good thing, right? I'm just going to go ahead and add right across my numerator. 3 plus 2 is 5, if I do recall correctly. The denominator stays the same at 7. This one is donezo. Next one down, we got 2/3 plus 1/6. So these denominators are not the same. I got to change one of them because I can make that 3 into a 6 by multiplying by 2. But if I multiply that denominator by 2, I'm going to have to multiply that numerator by 2 as well. So 2 over 2, that's 1. Multiplying by 1 does not change the number, right? Anything times 1 is itself. So we just multiplied by what I'd like to call a creative form of 1, okay, to make the problem work for us, right? So now I have 4 over 6 plus 1 over 6. That's going to be 5 over 6. What do you think about that, Jenny? No, still not entertained. Whatever. All right, last one here. Totally different denominators. I can't make one like the other, so I've got to go multiplying by each other will be my strategy here. So I'm going to multiply by 5 here, which means I got to multiply by 5 in my numerator as well. I'm going to multiply by 4 on this one, which means I need to multiply by 4 in my numerator on that one. So I'm multiplying by 1 on both sides, but my own awesome version of 1 to make this problem work for me. So now I've got 5 times 3. That's 15 over 20 plus 4 times 2 is 8 over 20. And now I've got 15 plus 8, that's going to be 23. It's a kind of a sloppy 23. 23 over 20. Woo! That's some good stuff right there. Now, if you're not a fan of improper fractions like myself, I like improper fractions because you can work with them a lot easier. You can multiply, add, divide, whatever with them. But if you want to be all bougie and fancy, you can have 1 and 3/20ths. If you have to be that way and have a mixed number, right? I'm not a fan of it. Jenny's not a fan of them, right? I go improper, but hey, whatever floats your boat, or maybe whatever the math question asks you. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. America, freedom, rock and roll, Costco, Riverdog Jenny on the gram right there. See you guys later.